I will show you how to create multiple YouTube channels. First, open your YouTube account. Make sure you're logged in first. Then, go to the right side, click your profile, find YouTube Studio, go to Settings at the bottom left. Click Channel, then to Advanced Settings. Scroll down, click Manage YouTube Account. Continue Create New Channel. Give your channel a name. Congratulations! You have successfully created a new channel on the same account. If you want to change the original account, go to the top right tab, then switch account.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.